value of coming to the symposiums like this is immeasurable.
I've been a university photographer for a few years, and I knew about UPAA. Then when I joined, I didn't realize how much of a family it would feel like.
I was a little intimidated coming in because everyone is so talented, but everyone has been so welcoming. Anyone I've talked to has been so kind.
The other awesome thing about this organization is that you can have any skill level. Whether you want to learn something or you want to share something, like, you're going to find your community here.
This wonderful community has such an array of information that are unparalleled in their experience and willing to share it. And that has been the biggest value for me, is experiencing the wonderful generosity of people's knowledge.
Even if you're a sole photographer of your school, you have hundreds and hundreds of people with decades of experience to help you become the best photographer you can be.
I'm kind of young in the videographer game and kind of leaning a little bit towards photo these days, so it's been truly amazing to connect and network with all these amazing individuals.
I think my favorite part of the symposium has been listening to the main speakers. If you're looking for inspiration, you're going to find it from these speakers who have been all over the world.
The breakout sessions are an opportunity for you to further an interest. For me, I'm really focused on breakout sessions in areas that I don't know very well.
It's been so much fun. I've learned so much just besides the lectures and breakouts, just talking to people.
Going to Symposium has been critical to my professional development. Every time that I've gone, I've leveled up afterwards, I've learned new things, and I come back inspired.
If I was chatting with a manager or supervisor about sending somebody on their photo or video team to come check out the symposium, I'd say you have to do it. It's a no-brainer. And it's something that I see myself coming back to probably every year from now on.